Hi, I'm Karen McTavish, an APQS quilting instructor. We're going to talk about ruler work today. So now we're going to cover sashings and stitching in the ditch in the block. Now you might notice that it's really hard to stitch in the ditch and get right dead center. You're either in the ditch, you're out of the ditch, or you're trying to get back in there again. So just do your very best. The trick here is to be in stitch regulated mode, and then we want to use our ruler. You want to push down and over on the foot. So your ruler is pushing down, and you're also applying equal amounts of pressure from your handle to your ruler foot. All right, so here we go. We're going to stitch in the ditch, stitch regulated mode, and then we're going to cross over, and then we're going to go up the ditch. And I'm staying on the orange side of the ditch, if that makes sense. I don't want to go into the pink or the yellow fabric. And I just railroaded right over my stop and start, so now we can get rid of those tails. So now I'm going to go right into going around this block and then going right into the quilt block itself. I like to slide my ruler when I can, and we're going to get this sashing while we're there. Again, I'm trying to stay on the orange side of the ditch. And I'm only quilting between my thumb and my finger. All right. So I think we're going to start here and just start going around. So we'll backtrack. Staying on the orange fabric side of the ditch. And I need to stitch in this ditch, so I'm just going to do that now. And I can backtrack. I'll do it. I'll do it now. All right, so we're going to get through this whole thing in one shot. All right, and we are done.